Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki, here with my 2021 patio makeover. So let's get started. Friends, I cannot tell you how excited I have been to get this patio set up so that Mike and I can start enjoying it for the spring and the summer. I also want to thank Lamps Plus for partnering with me to get the patio ready. So we're going to get a new ceiling fan and new cushions and all kinds of things. But first, Mike had to take everything off the back patio and spray it down to get all of that pollen away, and so that we could really start with a great fresh patio. I'm not going to redo the floors this year. We thought about it, but they have some marks here and there, but the rug's going to cover a lot of it along with the furniture, so I'm not too worried about it. For the most part, the flooring looks pretty good. Now, I did get a new indoor-outdoor rug from Lamps Plus, and if you don't know, they have a wonderful outdoor selection from furniture to the rugs to lamps to decor. Everything you need to get your patio ready this year, they definitely have, so definitely check it out. I will also be sure to link everything in the description box below. And friends, the rug is so beautiful, comfortable, and the functions there for outdoor patio use, so I'm loving it. And this is going to be the starting point. Another thing that I needed to replace was the outdoor wall light. It was in a black, it was looking dated. Along with the ceiling fan, it didn't coordinate with my white and blue theme that I have every year. So I got a white ceiling fan, also from Lamps Plus. They had a huge selection of ceiling fans, but what I really wanted was something that, of course, it had to have the light because we needed something that could produce the light, the fan for those hot days, but then I also wanted one that definitely had the remote to keep it simple when I'm relaxing out here, and something that had different levels of speed and different levels of lighting, so this could accommodate both. So he also put up the outdoor wall light, so I'm gonna grab a light bulb, get that installed, and now they're coordinated. You know, before I had the black wall light with the brown ceiling fan, so now there's unity on the back porch, so I'm excited about that. The furniture now is back in place, and I put it in the same position that I have it here from last year because it just works. It's great for when we're sitting out here, when we have friends. My patio is rather small, so it's kind of intimate, but I really like the size of it. I think that it fits the size of my family. And I did pick up some new bistro chairs. These are like the French bistro chairs that you see outside of the Parisian bakeries and things like that. And so this is actually going to be more so transitioned to Mike's grill area, which I'll do in a separate video. But for now, we have it on the back patio until that is ready to roll. But I fell in love with these. I absolutely love these. And they're bar height. And I have two of them along with the white bistro table. So now let's get things cleaned. So friends, I did decide to change out my patio cushions this year, still sticking with that navy blue that I love, but you may remember, if not, you can reference the previous videos. I'll put it in the description box below, but I had just a solid color navy blue cushions, so I wanted to do something a little different this year because I love the navy blue, but I did want to switch it up. So I did a combination of kind of the diamond print along with the floral, and what my thought was, do the chairs and maybe the floral and then the diamond print on the love seat. So I'm hoping that that would come together beautifully, give me a little different flair this year, but still keep with that navy blue that I absolutely love on my back patio. Now, I did also get the outdoor pillows that would coordinate with them, and my thought is to use kind of the opposite designs on each in the decorative pillows. So the pillows would actually kind of bring the whole set together, although the cushions were different. So friends, I wanted to add a bit of whimsy to the back patio, and when I went to the Lamps Plus website, I was over the moon happy when I saw these cute little frog lamps. They're sitting with their legs crossed, and they are just absolutely adorable, perfect for my back patio. I love that the lamp shades have the leaf shape on it. It's perfect for outdoors. And you all know how much I love putting my lamps out here because I can control the ambiance. It's just really cozy in the summer and spring evening time. And so these were absolutely perfect. So I really loved them. They were the right size, the right color because the shades, it's actually in that navy blue and white. So these were a total hit. So the lamps are going to go in the same spot that they typically go in every year on each of my side tables. You know, I have those white round nesting tables. You may remember that from last year. Mike's going to come and he's going to get the extension cord and do the plug-in for me. He usually handles that part for me because we have a plug on our back patio, but you kind of have to, route it around. So he'll do all that to make it really neat. But I think these lamps are just so much fun. Now I'm going to have to make one adjustment because I'm sitting these lamps on my nesting tables, and I have 4 of them out here, 2 on each side of the love seat, but they're different sizes. So I have a tall size, then medium, then one below that, and then one small. You know how nesting tables work. So when I put the medium and the large, the large is on one side, the medium is on the other side, but because the height of the tables are slightly off, it's going to make the lamps not look even as you can see. It's just slightly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust the lamp that's on the medium table to raise it just a little bit so that they match up. And how I'm going to do this is with books. I have a navy blue book and a white book. It gives some reads for out here, but it's just a subtle, simple way to adjust the lamp. So it really worked. And so that's how they now look like they're the same height. The lamps are the same height, but now because the tables are not the same height, it gives the symmetry, and the symmetry's there and the good feel there. So that is how everything has come together as far as the cushions and the lamps. And so I am so excited about it. I'm also going to put my ottoman right here beside the chair. I use this to kick up my feet often, so it can be a side table or it can be used as an ottoman. The tic-tac-toe game, you might remember this. It's always on my back patio, so I am going to sit that back on the table along with my tin tray. It's in that navy blue trim, so it fits out here perfectly. Great for sitting drinks on and just to have here on the table. And you all remember from my recent outdoor shopping haul that I had this beautiful new tin carafe for those great big jugs of lemonade, along with one of my plants, which is doing well, friends. I'm doing so great with my plants, along with some marble coasters. And so I'll sit those on the tray. And so that's all that I'm going to put on the table. On the side table, I'm putting my little drop bowl. You may remember this from last year. It looks so beautiful with the lamp. I am also enjoying putting some of my plants out. They're doing so well. You guys know I struggle with plants, but over the years, I've been starting to get a little better. Plants are starting to survive a little more with me, so I'm really happy about that. So friends, it's coming together. I'm putting out a little of the little accents. Of course, getting Bentley and Albert ready. I replaced their pillow in their little bed there. This is really the bed that Bentley uses. He loves to sunbathe right here. This is kind of his spot since he's been a puppy and he loves it. So we have his little bowl there. So his spot is all set up. Albert could care less about sunbathing. It's just not his thing. So he could care less. He likes to lay on the floor right next to my feet. And look at the ceiling fan. It's just, everything looks so beautiful now. I think that it now makes sense. It coordinates beautifully for me. And I'm so happy with how it turned out. And even with the bar stools on the porch temporarily until we get Mike's set up with his grill ready, it still fits perfectly. It's not distracting while it's temporarily in its spot. But I'm really happy with how everything turned out. I am in love with those lamps, and I love how they really play off of the other pieces as far as the cushions and things like that. I am really happy with how the mixing of the cushions went. So, it really is a fun way to switch it up with your patio, is to just kind of switch up the cushions, staying in the same type of family with the color and things like that. And so it really looks like it is ready for Mike and I to come out here and have a good time. And I want to say thanks to Lamps Plus for really coming through for me and helping me with my back patio this year. The rug is absolutely just the best. It is so comfortable. And the vibrant color just makes it so happy when you come out here. It's a nice punch against that white. So I'm really happy with how it turned out. So stay tuned on how the grill section of our backyard turns out, where this set here is going to be incorporated back there, but it's going to sit here for now until we get that ready. Mike and I have a lot of work to do to get that set up. But other than that, friends, I can check this off the list. The patio is ready for spring and summer 2021, and I am so eager to just really be able to spend some time out here. It may even be my temporary new home office, because this is going to be where I'm going to want to be during the workday and at home. So it really just came together beautifully, and it's nice to have it refreshed after all of that pollen. I know we all have been suffering with that pollen, and now that it has moved out of our lives for this year, it's time to get out on those patios, get them ready to start enjoying some outdoor time. So I have my water and my lime, and I'm ready to kick back and relax after all my hard work of putting, and I have to give Mike credit. He did a lot of work also. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Have a beautiful start to your weekend. I will put the links to all of the items below. Definitely check out Lamps Plus. You will not be disappointed. Have a beautiful day, my friends. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.